15 seconds shot clock. 19 seconds shot clock. Losing the ball. Pick up by Collado. Now on the run. Pass to Ikmat. It's a traveling violation by Ikmat. Traveling violation. Now number 11. On the three-point shot. It's no good. Ibanez. Collado fires no good. Follow up. Reverse no good. By number 10. It's no good. Azuela. Now on the drive. Now Olea pick up the ball. 10 seconds shot clock by Solstar. Olea pulls. Fires back. Another shot. 5 seconds shot. 2 seconds shot clock. Now Collado on the dribble. He's looking for receiver. Cannot penetrate. Signaling to his teammate. 10 second shot clock. Collado pumps no good. Another drive. It's a foul. .35. Ikmat. Third personal foul. Ikmat. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Both teams are Juricio out. Substitution. Juricio. Double O in. Number 23 Chope. Now on the dribble. Now on the drive. It's a foul on number 17. Number 5. Collado. Third personal foul, Collado. Third personal foul, Collado. Now Olea. On the drive. 70-67. Tatatlo na po yan, mga kaibigan. Tatatlo na yan. Now Ikmat, 5 minutes. Warning for penalty, Chope, out. Warning na, Chope. Warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. Now 13 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Basket. Period. Palupitan, double O. Second personal foul on double O. Penalty. Bonus shot. A bonus shot for Mr. Collado. Basket. 73-67. 6-point lead by Sabzabzin. Ayan. 10 second shot clock. Now, Gabalo controlling the ball. Now, Bingers, 10 seconds shot clock. Kanyaliwa. Wala. Another reverse. It's double followed by Luis Torres. Nusores for 2. Ten-second shot clock. Now, Ikmat. Iknat mo na, Ikmat. Yes, 2 points. Kala ko, di mo pa i-iknat ko eh. 75-69. Now, number 22. On the dribble. Pass to number 5. Another 3 points. No good. Follow up. Block. 13-second shot clock. 13-second shot clock by Solstar. Double 10-second shot clock. Olea. It's no good. It's blue ball. Said the referee Tolentino. Now Ikmat losing the ball. Number 11, layup for 2. 71-75. Apat na lang po ang lamang. Ng sub-sub-sub. 3 minutes. Yeah. Another layup. Basket. 77-71. 3 minutes, 4 seconds remaining. Losing the ball. Olea out. Substitution. Olea out. Number 28 in. Now Collado on the dribble. Signaling to his teammate. He's looking for receiver. Now signaling to his teammate. 10-second shot clock. He's still. It's the wood. Losing the ball. Number 5. It's no good. Kalupitan. Kalupitan. It's no good. Number 17, Tobias, controlling the ball. Now pass to Collado. Now Collado signaling to his teammate. He cannot penetrate. Now still signaling to his teammate. Now on the dribble. 10-second shot clock. Layup. Ikmat for 2. Basket. Yun ay foul. 28. Bonus shot. Del Mundo. Kalupitan out. Sinong kalupitan? Double zero. A bonus shot for number 35, Ikmat on the free throw. Bonus shot. It's no good. 79-71. 1 minute 52 seconds remaining for the last and final quarter. Double O, losing the ball. Pick up by Collado for 2. 71-81. Now number 22, pass to Wayne, number 1. Now Ikmat, 1 minute 6 seconds. Now Ikmat, layup, it's no good. Another. 52 seconds remaining. 10-second shot clock. Three-point shot is no good. 33 seconds. Twenty seconds. Ayan na. Umayaw na, kalaban, 30 seconds.